Labeled loops, breaks and continue. In Java, in some situation for block of code, you have to give labeling. Label is actually a valid identifier name followed by colon. In front of loop, we are giving such type of label. In that situation, we call it as a labeled loops. The loop's name should be valid identifier name, but it should not be any keyword or variable name in the program. You may have a doubt why we need such labeled loops. Whenever you use keyword like break and continue statements, in some problem we have to use labeled loops. What is the problem with simple break or simple continue statement? Whenever you use the simple break and simple continue statement, if you use the simple break statement, it causes the control to jump out of the nearest loop, and the simple continue statement restart the current loop. What is the meaning here is, now this is the example I have given here for continue. Now imagine this labeling is not given to the loops. Whenever you use the continue, now see here, whenever the n value becomes m, you have used continue. If you have not used any label here, if after that continue, if you have many other statements, all these statements are skipped and goes to the next for loop within the same for loop. That is called as current loop. Now in some situation, we have to jump from outside, means nested for loop. And sometimes you have to jump from the inner for loop to the outer for loop, that is outside the nested for loop. In that case situation, we have to use a labeling loops. In similar here, now see, the continue is put with some label called as outer, and that outer label is actually provided for the nested for loop, which is placed outside outer nested for loop. Whenever the continue statement is executed, instead of jumping to this for loop, inner for loop, the continue statement jumps to the outer for loop wherever the label is provided here. So that is the use of this labeled continue here. Another example is here. This is for a break statement. You know what is the meaning of break? The simple break will be work like this way. If you use the simple break, it jumps to the next statement after the inner for loop, or inner loop. Here it after execution of this break, it is come out from this while loop and execute the next statement in the outer for loop. Now if I want to jump from while loop to the outside the for loop, that is nested outer for loop, in that case we have to use labeling. Here loop 1 means the label given for the outer for loop. Whenever you use the break loop 1, it is jump outside the for loop, not the while loop. It jumps outside the for loop and execute this statement. So this is the use of labeled loops.